Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, and I just wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. Now all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on restore defaults. Confirm it with OK, and as you can see we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked because the camera needs the access to the location, and you can decide whether you want to allow it or deny it, and this is the first decision you're making after turning on the camera for the very first time after the first initial configuration. And the second evidence, here we are in the camera in the photo mode and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully cleared the customization of the camera. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.